Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Nokia G60. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone press screencast button and select your TV. Confirm. And now your smartphone is connected to TV. Now you can play any music or video on your smartphone and it will be displayed on TV. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from TV, simply press the screencast button again and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.